Hi there. Today we look at the Humble Hacksaw Blade for superb performance and flexibility. It's made of two different kinds of steel. The tooth is high-speed steel and the blade is normal tool steel. Now it's got superb flexibility and the chances of you breaking a blade while cutting is very slim. Now in the width range we do a 24 TPI blade, we do a 32 TPI blade, and then a progressive one. With the first section is 32 teeth, moves over to a 24, and then the last section is 18 tooth per inch. The reason for that is when you're cutting steel that's of high strength, you do not get the run of your blade. So it's far easier to start the cut, and then the 24 and the 18 at the back will make your cut much more faster. So this can be utilized on tool steel, on cast iron, on high-speed steel, and on stainless. So with hacksaw blades, it's the one for you. Remember, in the workshop, when you're working, always wear gloves and safety glasses. Safety first.